We just arrived in the Potomac. We're with a magazine called Potomac Lifestyle. We, Exponential Media, do all of their digital marketing services, so it's an amazing partnership. We're super excited. We are invited to speak tonight and share about how branding can build your business. Casey Cole, the publisher of the Potomac Lifestyle, is amazing. She's the bomb.com. She put this whole event together. She's allowing us the opportunity to connect to the readers, to the business owners that are in this amazing niche magazine that reaches the most affluent people. I think some of the most affluent people in the whole country that are here in the Potomac. So why don't you come in, see what's going on. You'll see some of the message, you'll meet some of the people. So come check this out.
We have some new news about Potomac Lifestyle. So today is all about networking, everyone meeting each other, and also letting you know what we're doing new for 2019, even though we're in May. I want to bring my partner over here, Jess Bousa. Come on over. Some of you probably do know him. He's been floating around. We are complementing our print magazine with social media, digital marketing, and many more ways to bring the reader to your business, per se. And having said that, I'm going to pass the microphone to my partner and good friend, Jess.
Thank you. You might want to grab a seat if that's okay. You want to sit some seats. Because everybody these days, they're like unofficial stalkers. It's true. Like everybody wants to know what everybody's doing. They got a phone in their hand. They can look you up on Yelp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Google. They're going to look you up before they call you, most likely. So the ad got you the opportunity, but when you got the opportunity, did you maximize it with that thing called the internet? The internet is so powerful. There's a lot of people in this phone. If you can't get your business right in this phone, as people are looking up things on Google, on search engines, guess what? Every single website is in competition with your website every time somebody searches something online. It's something that most people aren't doing well, and that's Facebook and Instagram ads. A lot of people have tried them, but they haven't worked well, and they think it doesn't work. It's not that they don't work, it's you just didn't work it right. Now, another thing I truly believe to support my thesis is you can get everything you want in life if you aren't selfish on social media. Because most people are selfish when it comes to running ads and doing social media. Like, just buy this, come see me, buy my brand, become part of my audience. You could do a vlog, you can write a post, you can make an image. You can offer value to people online, build a brand of value, and people will come to you. If you don't, you will be chasing sales for the rest of your life. You can get to the point where sales come to you. Another huge thing is video content. Having a strategy for marketing your business with videos is powerful. Video marketing is probably one of the most effective ways to rise above everybody else that's just posting different stuff on social media, because it gets you in front of them people. That play button does something magical online, doesn't it? If you want to rise above everybody else, you have to do everything at the very best all the time, right? Or you're going to be left behind. Really, you got to understand, communication is the game. Communication has come so naturally to me because I love to talk about what I do. And really, when I'm telling you to create content, just talk about what you love. It's really that simple. Don't take 4 hours to take a picture, to get it right, to put it on Instagram, because you're never going to do it. Just be who you are. People love authenticity. That's the key. Just be real, be who you are, and it will connect with people. That's why we love the housewives of Potomac.